in me, and I in them, bear much fruit. The gospel found me.
My beloved people of Senapati and Southern Nagamni, I am very delighted to meet you today through unwavering support, love, and prayer for me and the Naga nation. We should never forget our history. We are not lost people. We shall bring an honorable Indo-Naga political solution based on the framework agreement. Yes. I seek your cooperation with us in prayer. My dear countrymen, through love and forgiveness, let us build up our nation again. Kuk Nalim.